Hello my loves, welcome back to the channel. This is a new model to the channel, a new friend for our channel. We are going to call her Spooky because she loves all things spooky. And the very first set we're doing for her is a little bit on the spookier side. So welcome Spooky to the channel. She's a new friend of ours and we are going to have a wonderful time doing her nails. I am just doing my regular prep work here. I'm not going to show you every nail because, you know, it's two hands and that's a lot. That's a lot. And I don't normally do two hands at one time on the regular. So this was a challenge for me to just stay focused and get the work done. And I have to tell you guys, I had a really wonderful time doing her nails. It was very enjoyable. So we're just cleaning her up, getting her ready. We did our little prep. And now I'm just making sure her nails are all a nice length so they look pretty underneath the nails. We are going to be doing jellies today. That was by her request. I let her pick everything she wanted. And honestly, we had so many ideas. There's so many things we want to do to her nails. And we're like, okay, we can't put all that into this set. We can start planning for the future though. So now she does have a couple spots on her skin here. And you're going to see me working on that right now, where she had some rips in the corner. Just a little pro tip for everyone who's doing their nails or not doing their nails. One thing you really need to continuously do is push back your cuticles because they will rip on the corners as your nails grow if you don't. Oil every night, and then make sure you push your cuticles back, and that will solve that problem completely. So we've got our prep, our prime, and then we're going to come in with light Elegance Tack for our second primer. I just find this 3 steps to be really a wonderful combination. This is the product we're going to use to apply her nails, and this is how we're going to get it. I love it because it's real easy to work with, but I'm on the fence about how it lasts. So we will see. We'll see over time. She has actually lost one of the nails already and had to have it reapplied. So I'm on the fence about this product. It may just end up being used for nail art because this is the kind of stuff where you can touch it and it's not tacky. And you can, although I will say it stuck to my gloves a lot. And you will see toward the end of the video I had to take them off because it was just getting so bad. So I'm not sure how safe it is for you to be touching it with your actual skin. I don't really like to touch gel with my actual skin. So now once they're all on, I'm coming around and just snatching out that cuticle, making sure it's nice and flush and really soft and beautiful, and just giving a light buffing to the rest of the nail to make sure that none of the polish that we put on top chips or peels or slides right off, because you know how gel polish is. It doesn't like a slick surface. I don't always take that step when I'm doing just tips for the channel. But when somebody's going to wear them, I think it's a smart idea. So now we're coming in with the Born Pretty jelly polishes. And this collection was the Sea Glass collection. And this pink has to have 3 coats because otherwise, as you can see, even on the second coat, it's still, it could have used some more pigment. I'm just going to say, of the 6 colors I got with the Sea Glass collection, the pink is disappointing. You really need to use a lot to get any kind of color payoff from it. So now at the tip and just a little bit ombre'd up, we're going to put sheer silver chrome. And that was also by Born Pretty, by the way. The nail tips are by Modelones, and as you saw, the product we used to put it on with was by Makartt. And now we're into the Born Pretty, so everybody has got their fingers in this set, I guess. There's a lot more Born Pretty than other things, though, I think, because the polish, the chrome, the stamper, or I mean the stamping polish, are all Born Pretty. So now this plate, I don't know who made this plate. I have no idea. Hopefully it says on the plate and I'll be able to put it in the comment section. Oh, there it is. It's Beauty Big Bang. Beauty Big Bang. So there you go. I do know who made the plate. And it's just one of their Halloween plates. I bought it 3 years ago. I'm thinking probably about 3 years ago. We're just going to put that little Grim Reaper on her finger. The other hand matches this hand exactly, except instead of the Grim Reaper on her ring finger, she has a ghost. And you will see that in the reveal shots. I really love how this set came out. She wanted pink, she wanted jelly, she wanted spooky. And as we went through the nails, we evolved a little bit. We weren't going to do that dark pink chrome, but right at the last second, she was all, wouldn't it be pretty if there was a darker chrome? And I'm like, yes, it would. How about this? And she's like, yes, that. So we went on ahead and did that. But then we're going to pop her in the lamp, and these are the finished nails. Guys, I hope you like them as much as I do and as much as she does. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. I hope you have a wonderful weekend. Thank you so much for coming by. We're going to see you on Tuesday for some more awesome nail art. Until then, have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.